Okay, in this next example, I need to draw and label a figure for the relationship given. So I read through this, lines GH and JK intersect at L4, and then it's giving me the actual coordinates of the points. So since it's giving the coordinates of the points, I need to have a coordinate plane. Okay, and then I need to follow exactly what the relationship is, so I'm going to put on point G. Point G is -1, -3. So -1, -3 would put me down here. And then I want point 23. Point 23 would be over 2, up 3. And then I want point -3, -2. So -3, +2. That puts me up there. My last point is 2, -3. So I'm going to go forward 2 and down 3. And if I've done that right, I should be ready to graph my lines. So I need my line tool. There's my line tool. Okay, so I want line GH. Oh, I probably should put some labels on these things so I know which one's which. So -1, -3 was G. So -1, -3, so G is down here. Here's G. H is 2, 3, 2, 3, so I need H. There's H. I need a J. And -3, +2, -3, +2, there's my J. And K is my last point that I graphed, and that was +2, -3. Okay. So now I want lines GH. So lines GH. There's GH. Okay, and they're lines, so they go on forever. So I'm going here, extend it that way, and there's GH. And then I need another line, and my second line is JK, so here's JK. So put it on there, and then I'm just going to extend that. And extend that one. Okay, so there I have my lines. So lines GH and JK intersect at L. Okay, so here's where they intersect. And it's telling me that that is L. So I've got L on there now. And if it helps you to see this, I can change all my labels here to a different color. Or like a lime green. And we'll go back to blue. Okay, so point M is coplanar. Coplanar means in the same plane. Co is the same planar, plane, same plane with these points, but not collinear. Collinear. So linear has the word line in it, and plane is missing the E, but it's got. So coplanar is the same plane. Collinear is the same line. So I would need point M that is in the same plane, so on this coordinate grid that we've got here, but not on one of the lines with GH or JK. So I've got to put it somewhere else. So I grab my point, and I can put it anywhere I want it. And this is point M. So if I'm going to grab this point M, let me group these two things together. And I can put it anywhere I want. I can put it over here. I can put it up here. I can put it down in here. I can put it over here. I just can't put it on this line or on that line. That's what it's telling me, is not collinear, so not on the lines. Okay? So I can just leave it right there. And that would be a good representation of this relationship.